Do this on the 25th of November and experience open doors and blessings. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Ukman, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a ritual that you can do. It's like a monthly ritual, but so many people miss the monthly ritual that we normally do between the 1st and the 7th. So if you miss the 1st and the 7th, then you can still do it on the 25th of this month. Like I said, it's a new month ritual. And today I'm not going to be wasting any time on this because we have discussed severally on our monthly ritual. So what are the ingredients we are going to be using? We are going to be using salt. That's number one. Number two, we are going to be using honey. And number three, we are going to be using cloves. Cloves. So these are the three items. The first item that is not actually an item is you need your bathing water. You need your bathing water. Now, how do we prepare this? What you are going to do is that you are going to get 7 teaspoons of salt. 7 teaspoons of salt. And by salt, sea salt, cooking salt, Himalayan salt, we do. Except you cannot use the black salt. You can't use the black salt. So 7 teaspoons of salt is what you are going to be needing. Then the second thing you are going to be needing is honey. And also honey, you'll be needing 7 teaspoons of honey. Then the third one is your cloves. The cloves, you are going to be getting some quantity that is small because you are going to be blending it or grinding it into a powder form. So you get like, I'll suggest like you just count it like 14 or 21 of the cloves. You just grind it or you blend it. But if you cannot grind or blend, then you use as it is. You are going to be adding everything together in that your bathing water. You are going to be adding the 3 items in the bathing water. Once you add the items in the bathing water, then you use your hand to just mix thoroughly. You will notice that the water will change color because of the cloves. It will turn fairly like black. Don't despair, just use it like that. This is the way it is done. Now, before I tell you when to use it, this is what the ritual, this is what it entails. Salt is a cleanser. At the same time, it's a sweetener. It will cleanses you of all negativity that has been following you from the previous month. Following you from the previous month, it will clear all those negativity away. And for the rest of November, you are going to enjoy a new positive life till throughout December. You enjoy from November throughout the year. You are going to enjoy positive spiritual life. All the negativity, the salt will clear it. Then the honey, as you know, honey is very sweet, so it's a sweetener. It will sweeten your life for the new month and the rest of the year, so that good things will locate you, favor will locate you, blessings will locate you. People will give you money, people will favor you, people will call you for good things, promotion will come. And you know that in the new month that we are going, apart from November, December, this is between November, December is the time that you spend a lot of money. So money will come to you. Money will come to you. You see things, you see money to spend. People will favor you in this month. Gifts will come from unexpected quarters. Then the third one, the cloves. This is a very strong cleanser too. It will cleanse you. You know, we use clove in different way. You can burn it, but in this case, you are not burning it. You are just adding it to your water. So those are the thing we do. You can see it's very powerful because in this ember month, October, November, December, a lot of bad things happen. Accident happens, especially in my country. Accident happens. So you'll be immune from accident. You'll be immune from bad things. Bad things will not come to you. You'll be immune from all the negative things. And at the same time, you attract a lot of positive things, favor, luck, success, money, people will favor you, promotion will come your way, law gift will come your way, positive gift now people will gift you will come your way. So when are you going to be using it, or how do you use it? You are going to be using this in the night, midnight, between 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. Is in the midnight. You cannot use it in the morning, you cannot use it in the afternoon. This is better used between 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. And you know, between 2 a.m. and between 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. a lot of things happen. I've done a video talking about the power of 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. You know, a lot of spiritual manifestation take place around that time, and everybody's come down around that time to, you know, they roam about. If you are asking for anything, they want to attend to you. If you are repelling something, they want to repel also. So you have to do this ritual midnight, 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Just do it once you can do it. If you can do it and do it correctly, then you don't have problem for this month and the rest of the year. You'll be successful. Even the new year is going to be very good. It's going to be very sweet for you. But I would rather suggest you do it every month. It's not compulsory that you do it on the 25th. You can do it on the 7th. You can do it between the 1st to 7th. But probably I do it on the 7th. And for one reason or the other, if I miss it on the 7th, I'll do it on the 25th. You know, 25, 2 plus 5 will give you 7. Those are numerology. If you know, I have videos talking about numerology on my channel. So in case you are new, just do yourself that word of good by subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not paying anybody. For those who are subscribed, who are returning, thank you so much for your subscription. I really appreciate your love, and I will never take it for granted. You can also just click on the like button, comment. Let me go to the comment, ask questions, comment, tell me whether what I'm saying is good or bad, or what I'm doing is right. Just let me know. Go to the comment. I love you, and I respond to your comment, and I will definitely respond. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.